Hello guys, so today I am going to give you the overview of sentiment analysis project. So I use the pre-trained model from the Hugging Face where I give the data and then it give me the sentiments about my textual data. So let's first give you the overview of my data. So you can see here I have three columns in which title, date and news source. So basically uh, I have the title of articles about the three news sources like Washington Post, New York Times and Wall Street. And I have data from like 2022 to 2023, November 2023, right? So I use the Google Colab for the code, and I will share this Colab link in below video link. So let's give you the overview of the code. So first of all, we need to install the necessary libraries in Colab. So which libraries we need? So first of all we need NLTK. NLTK basically need for NLP task like for textual data. So I install this library, and these four things like NLT dot download and stop words and wordnet is related to the cleaning of data. Basically, when we will clean our data, which I will give overview in below, so that's why we need this. That's why we download this. We need to download this again. Okay. So then I import the important libraries like pandas, cpon, and nltk and whatever. Then I load my data. You can see here we can load data from here. I will give the link of GitHub where you can download the data and then upload from here, right? So then give some commands for exploring the data. You can see here we have 485 rows and 3 columns. Then we see our data. You can see this is our data, which we can see from head command. And then I counts the values of news sources. So you can see here most of article titles are related to Washington Post, then New York Times, and then Wall Street. Then I design a bar plot through the plotly library. You can see here, we can also see here Washington Post has larger amount of articles than New York Times and Wall Street. Then before doing for like we are doing here sentiment analysis, so first of all we need to uh, like clean our data, right? So you can see here I create a function in Python right here, and then you can see here the function is doing convert text into lowercase, and then remove the numbers and special characters. Here we are use real library, right? Then tokenize the word, then remove the stop words, then lemmatize the tokens, and then join the tokens back to a single string, right? So this is the function, and then I run it. So now once again we need some nltk dot download things for wordnet and omv. Here you can see I apply clean data function on my title column. Okay, So when I apply on it, then it convert into a new column which name is also title. So basically it will modify the existing column, and then you can see here our data is now clean. You can see here. Then in last we will perform the sentiment analysis using the pre-trained models. So then we also need to install transformer library, then torch library. So it will take some moments in your site for download this. Then I import from transformer, import pipeline. So next, first of all, before doing the sentiment analysis, we need to load the pipeline. Okay, so you can see here pipeline is also a library from the transformer. You can see here I write this is a sentiment analysis pipeline. Here I give the model name, which is bird size English 2, which you can access in on Hugging Face. I am searching here for the details for you. You can see here this is the model. So it's loading sometime, and you can learn the details about the model here. What it can do, right? So I will also attach this link, and then I load this model. It will take some time in your site, even if you are using Colab, because it takes some memory and time, right? Other thing that I want to share with you, you can also use other pre-trained models like text attack, bird base, and this model, which is you can search it on for just check the accuracy, right? And how you can do this, just copy this model, then control C and just put here this model and then run. So this model will load, and then you can see the result. So I have loaded my model, and now we can predict the sentiments for each clean text. So you can see here I create a new column which name is sentiment, then where I need to perform the sentiment, its name is title, and then apply and other functions, right? This is the Python things. I am assuming you know about the apply functions and lambda. So if you don't know about it, let me know in comment box. Basically it is the pandas libraries functions, right? So I will create a one dedicated video for this. So it has been applied, then I displayed the sentiment. You can see here Congress wants sanction ahead possible Russia. So you can see here it's a negative news for Russia. Basically this title is about Ukraine and Russia war. So you can see here it's giving negative uh, sentiment. One command that we can do here, which is sample. So then I will like to show the 5 rows. So you can see here positive and negative sentiments are showing. Zelensky address Congress part for edition. So it's a positive news. You can see here. You can also check manually when you apply this, so you can get idea. So in last I just check the value count, so most of values are negative, right? And 151 values are positive. Then in last I create a count plot. You can see here I use Seaborn library. So this is the overview. If you think there needs something more, let me know in the comment box. I will reply you, and in my next video I will also focus on like pre-trained models and how we can use it. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my new YouTube channel. If you subscribe it, obviously I will get some motivation about the work. So also like the video and mm, do comment in below. Uh, so what do you think about it, right? So thank you so much. I will share everything in below. So check it, please. Thank you so much.